potato and pumpkin, carrot and onion and green bean, all fresh and healthy and so yummy. Vegetables are great for you and me. Radish, cucumber and chili, mushroom and cabbage and celery, all fresh and healthy and so yummy. Vegetables are great for you and me. Radish, cucumber and chili, mushroom and cabbage and celery, all fresh and healthy and so yummy. Vegetables are great for you and me. Tomato, potato and pumpkin, carrot and onion and green bean, all fresh and healthy and so yummy. Vegetables are great for you and me. Radish, cucumber and chili, mushroom and cabbage and celery, all fresh and healthy and so yummy. Vegetables are great for you and me.